Hello my friends, today we're cooking again, but I'm going to show you how to make a Russian style malt drink. It's a really cool and delicious drink. Like one of my friends from America usually say that it tastes like a root beer, but it's not quite a root beer. It's different drink made of yeast and bread, wheat bread, if to be more clear. All right, are you ready for the action? We will need 3 grams yeast, 3 tablespoons of sugar. We have to put a little bit water in it, just a little bit, maybe 50 gram or 75 gram. So we have to shake it off till it starts fermenting. While mixing and shaking, make sure there is no little pieces in it. You have to really make it smooth and melted everything in this water. The main ingredient in yeast, you're gonna kill it with the hot water. Make sure the water is at room temperature. So we have to cut it in the small cubes, little pieces. I'm going to show you how to do that. Kvass would be better only if you have better bread. So just grab 2 hands of crumbs and drop them in the box. 1, 2, that's gonna be enough. Now take yeast, what we were mixing up before with the sugar and a little water. We have to put it right here to this box. But then we have to take the rest of the water, we had it in the bottle, about 350 milliliters, and put in this box. We have to mix it up with a spoon, of course. And we have to send it to the windowsill for about 2 nights, 2 days. Okay. Our bread is ready. We have to send it to the oven around 40-45 minutes, about 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit. We have to watch it while it's cooking there, that it doesn't overcook, doesn't burn. In the end, we have to get bread crackers. All right, the oven is hot. Now we have to send it in, just like that, 40-45 minutes, and watch it through. Yes, 350 degrees. Okay, our bread crackers is ready. It was 45 minutes in the oven. Now let me taste it. Let me try if it's for sure that it's ready. Yes, all right, our leaven we have to leave for 2 days at the windowsill. Same as the bread crackers, we have to put in the box for 2 days, and then after that we're gonna further tell you what else to do. Okay, 2 days passed. We took leaven from the windowsill, and as you see, it should be sediment under. So that being said, it means completely ready. The yeast is ready. Now we need a 3 liters pot or jar. We need bread crackers, what we prepared 2 days ago. 3 hands, full hands of bread crackers, and put it in the jar. Okay, we need now hot water. Slowly, and just very little to put in and shake it off to make sure the bread crackers melt in that hot water, just little by little. So we'll have to fill it up until this point. So that's gonna be around 1 liter, 1/3 of the bottle. I think that's good enough. We have to put 3 spoons of sugar. Sugar will melt faster in the hot water. We have to leave it alone till the hot water will become room temperature. All right, our water cooled down to the room temperature, right? So it's the colors of the jar or the water is supposed to be brownish, dark. We have to take our ferment leaven, the one we kept on the windowsill for 2 days, and we have to put in, it's our yeast, basically. Ooh, my God. Okay, we gotta put it all in, including bread. Okay, and the last thing before we send it for 2 days to rest again, we have to fill it up with the water, maybe up to here. Again, room temperature water. This is going to be good enough. Perfect. I just can't wait these 2 days pass by. I'm not gonna sleep at night. So that's it. After 2 days, we're gonna come back and I'm gonna let you know how we're gonna finish it, our preparation for the name of KVASS Russian style. All right, we are continuing our procedure. It's a day 3 or 4 already. I got lost. Today was a long day. Anyway, we have to take our crackers, bread. Last step of our cooking. Can you imagine cooking something for 4 days? That's crazy. You didn't see what we're gonna do next now. This is something extraordinary setup, I call that. We either gonna be the best people in the world who try the best drink in the world, or we're gonna pass away from this thing. But I can guarantee you that's gonna be the best thing you ever try. We try actually. Okay, we have to filter our kvass through the rolled gas. That's what we use. Well, it's professional, so nothing will stays. Just pure kvass will go through. And this regular filter what you use in the daily kitchen. And then we cut from the jar, from the bottle, just this with the scissors. Then we put it right here, just this filter, and put that rolled gauze. Okay. All right, we'll fill it up all the way to the end. And remember, the next step is through the funnel. You have to find the 2 liters bottle and then put it in. 2 liters, as we promised. KVASS Russian style. Now, the last step, we have to close it and put back to the fridge for 4-5 hours. Okay, original kvass is in the fridge, the one we made it. Now, whatever yeast leaving left, we have to separate half and half. We don't throw that away. Originally, what we cut bread and made it crackers bread, we have to put 3 hands to each jar. 1, 2, 3. Here's the same thing. 3. Of course, we can't have kvass without sugar. 3 spoons. And of course, the last thing, it's easy. We have to put the water, fill it up all the way. That's gonna be like 3 liters here, 3 liters here. So we have extra 6 liters of kvass. And you can share with your friends, with your neighbors, or have a party. My dream number 1 was to try this Russian style kvass. And it's ready. Oh, it has some gas already. Oh my God. I literally tell you that the best drink I ever drink since I was kid in my grandmother village. But it tastes some bread, yeast, of course all together. And it's not that sweet, just slight sugar, and it's cold. It's just amazing. It's just original, real, homemade kvass. Okay guys, I recommend you to try it. Try it on. See you.